shoot every motherfucking last one of you!
Should have shotguns for this kind of job.
How many up there?
About 3, maybe 4.
Counting our guy?
I'm not sure.
So there could be 5 guys up there.
It's possible.
You should have fucking shotguns.
You remember Tony Kareem, Hans Thompson? He was part Arab, part Italian, part German, part American. Used to call him Tony United Nations.
Yeah, maybe. Big fat guy, right?
Yeah, he had a weight problem before, but shit, you should see him now. He been taking Pilates class about 2-3 times a week. Started this low-fat diet. Lost about 100 pounds only a few months.
That's amazing. What about him?
Marcellus fucked his ass up. Word around the campfire is it was on account of Marcellus Wallace's wife.
What, he fuck her?
Define fuck.
Or did the snake go in the cave? Did he play hide the salami with his cock?
No. Nothing that bad.
Well, what then?
He gave her a back massage.
Back massage. Is that all?
Define back massage.
Well, I mean, what, he finger fuck her while he was rubbing her back? Did he concentrate more on her lower back than her upper back?
No. Just the fucking back massage.
Well, what'd Marcellus do?
Marcellus sent a couple of guys over to his fucking Pilates class, laid him out on their damn Pilates table, and they each gave him a full body massage.
Define full body massage.
Fuck you. Anyway, as you can imagine, he ain't going back to that class no more.
That's a damn shame. Still, I gotta say, you play with matches, you get burned.
What do you mean?
Well, you don't go giving Marcellus Wallace's new bride a back massage.
You don't think he overreacted?
I'm sure Tony Kareem, Hans Thompson didn't expect Marcellus to send over a couple of guys to give him a full body massage, but still he had to expect some kind of reaction.
Well, shit, it was a fucking back massage, man. Shit, I'd give my damn neighbor a back massage, dude.
It's laying your hands on Marcellus Wallace's new bride in a familiar way. Now, is it as bad as eating her pussy? No, but it's in the same fucking ballpark.
Whoa, hold on, hold on. Eating a bitch out and giving a bitch a back massage ain't the same fucking thing.
Not the same thing, the same fucking ballpark.
Ain't the same fucking ballpark either, man.
You ever given a back massage?
Hey, don't be talking to me about giving back massages, man. I'm the back fucking master.
You give a lot of them?
Shit, yeah. I got the damn fucking thing down to a science, man. And all the muscles on the back and everything.
You ever give a guy a back massage?
Fuck you.
How many?
Fuck you.
You know, my back's kind of sore. You mind giving me a back
Hey,
massage?
look, man, you better chill. I'm starting to get kind of pissed. This fucking apartment. What time is it?
7:22 a.m.
It ain't quite time yet. Let's wait a little bit. Hey kids, how you boys doing?
Okay, guys, ready?